2024 Jeep Gladiator updated with a new face, better interior and more standard kit. Changes to the 2024 Jeep Gladiator are mostly carried over from the updated Wrangler, but add meaningful modernity to the platform. The Jeep Gladiator has been refreshed for the 2024 model year, borrowing most of its updates from the updated Wrangler. Unveiled at the Detroit Auto Show, the new pickup truck has the same revised front-end styling as its sibling, as well as a much better interior and more features to keep you entertained. There are also two new models to choose from, the Mojave X and the Rubicon X, which bring a more refined approach to the rough-and-tumble model in the Jeep portfolio. We're talking leather upholstery and power-adjustable seats. Okay, so these aren't exactly earth-shattering developments, but perhaps more notable are the advanced off-road features both models will get, including steel bumpers and a full-time transfer case. Those looking to raise the bar can now equip their trucks with a variety of extreme packages by ordering from American Expedition Tools, AEV, through Jeep dealers nationwide. While the exterior looked a bit dated, the current Gladiator's interior was decidedly archaic compared to many other options on the market. The refresh brings much more functionality and modernity to the pickup's interior, with improved materials, a larger infotainment screen and refreshed software. The main feature is the 12.3-inch touchscreen located above the dashboard and running Stellantis Android-based Uconnect 5 operating system. The system, which is much superior to the previous model, will now be able to receive updates wirelessly, connect wirelessly to phones via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and call Amazon Alexa as a virtual assistant. Like the Wrangler, the Gladiator gets Jeep's adventure guides. It's a way for trail enthusiasts to test the Gladiator's off-road skills with detailed guides for 62 Jeep Badge of Honor trails. Those who want more than the 62 on offer, which already includes California's Rubicon Trail, Utah's Hell's Revenge, and New Hampshire's Jericho Mountain, can purchase a subscription to unlock all 3,000 retail guides. New to the Gladiator and improved since its debut in the 2024 Wrangler is the Trail. Guides now includes a follow mode that provides the right information at the right time by displaying pop-ups for waypoints such as intersection directions, obstacles, or points of interest. All models have slightly better standard equipment. You'll still have to upgrade to the Sport S trim to save yourself the manual chores of closing your windows, but the first and second rows now come with side curtain airbags as standard. The two new Mojave X and Rubicon X trims come with Napa leather seats and 12-way adjustable power seats for front passengers. In addition to off-road capabilities, the models also feature a full-time transfer case, an integrated off-road camera and steel bumpers for the front and rear. 2024 Jeep Gladiator bids farewell to diesel. 2024 Jeep Gladiator updated with a new face, better interior and more standard kit. The 2024 Jeep Gladiator comes with only one engine option, the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6. The engine remains unchanged from the previous model, with the same 285 horsepower, 289 PS/213 kilowatts, and 260 lb-ft, 353 Nm, of torque. While a 6-speed manual transmission remains standard, you also have the option of an 8-speed automatic transmission. Diesel engine fans will be in mourning as the 2024 Gladiator drops its 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6 engine for the new model year. The decision to discontinue the oil burner is a result of the company's ongoing electrification push, which plans to convert half of its sales in North America to electric vehicles by 2030. There's no mention of the Gladiator 4 XE yet, but a PHEV version could help ease the pain of the diesel's loss. There's certainly a case to be made, as the plug-in hybrid version of the Wrangler reportedly accounted for 38% of first-quarter sales in the United States, but it's yet to be confirmed, though an earlier image released by Jeep may indicate it. To such a model that will emerge in the future. Order registrations for the updated 2024 Jeep Gladiator are now open, and the first models are expected to start appearing in showrooms before the end of the year. Pricing has not been announced yet.